Refrigerator breakdowns are very common. It may be that your refrigerator will no longer make ice. Your refrigerator dispenser has stopped working. Your refrigerator is leaking water, or your refrigerator is not cooling. While they occasionally fail, ice makers are also not the most sophisticated component and, for the most part, all operate the same way. If you discover ice within the ice mold, this usually means the ice maker is getting water, and the problem likely is not with the water supply. Instead, it is more likely a mechanical or electrical problem. There are many reasons why your dispenser may not be working. It may be a problem with your ice and water filter, water inlet valve, water dispenser actuator, micro switch, or dispenser control board. If your fridge is leaking water, a blocked frosting drain is one of the most common causes. The second cause of leakage is, on occasion, a clogged or frozen water supply line. If your fridge is not working, before you attempt more complex repairs, try these simple fixes. Be sure the fridge is fully plugged in and receiving power. Check the thermostat. Be sure the vents on the back of the freezer components are clear of all objects. These are the most common refrigerator problems. If you are unsure how to fix them, do not worry. A trained technician will be able to perform these checks. Give Prominent Support a call on